In this video, I will be showing you how to make a presentation in Canva with AI. Let's get started. Starting on the Canva home dashboard, I navigate across the top options and click on Presentation to open a blank canvas. Once the workspace finishes loading, I move to the left sidebar and select Canva AI to open the Design Assistant. In the prompt field at the bottom, I paste in my detailed requirements for a 5-slide presentation on personal finance and budgeting basics. Once the prompt is entered, I click the purple Submit arrow button to process my request. Canva AI processes the prompt and creates a structured outline in the side panel. I scroll down to review the suggested slide topics, which cover personal finance basics, budgeting challenges, the 50-30-20 rule, financial benefits, and call to action steps. Satisfied with the structure, I click Generate Presentation. The AI immediately goes to work mapping out design elements, picking layouts, and building all 5 slides automatically. In a few seconds, the entire presentation deck appears on the workspace. I use the thumbnail preview strip along the bottom of the editor to click through each slide page one by one, checking that the text, graphics, and visual layout look clean and balanced across the entire deck. Next, I return to the first slide to make a few quick formatting adjustments to the main title. I select the title text box and drag the side handles outward to widen the text box across the slide. Using the top toolbar, I increase the font size so the title is larger and easier to read. Then, I open the font menu on the left side, scroll down, and select Bricolage Grotesque to update the typography style. Finally, to export the completed presentation, I click the Share button in the top right corner and select Download. I open the File Type drop-down menu, switch the format from PDF to PPTX, and click the purple Download button to save the editable presentation file directly to my computer. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to make presentation in Canva with AI.